Hi, it's me, Madam Pamita, your friendly neighborhood witch teacher and author, here to tell you about Hurriquake water. Hurriquake water is water that was collected in Los Angeles on August 20th. A lot of witches in the LA area were collecting this water just because we were having a tropical storm. But we also had an earthquake at the same time. So this is like once in a lifetime water that many of us have collected, and I have collected. I've bottled it up, preserved it, and blessed it for the members of my coven. But what can you do if you have Hurriquake water? What can you use it for? You can use it for powerful transformations. You can use it for really fiery protection. You can use it for really strong banishing. You can use it for breakthroughs. You can use it to bust through blocks and anything where you want a lot of power and a lot of transformation. If you would like to get a bottle, all you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, go to coven.vip.